your journey?
Kanina lang, charot. Hindi, since 2017, when I started mag-drug sa Nectar Nightclub, since fan ako 2009, so I tried to impersonate her, and it works naman. So, mga
So
27.
you chose Taylor Swift because you were a fan.
Yeah, since 2009.
So what made you a fan of Taylor Swift?
When I heard the song 15, so
Oh,
I
sa
relate.
fearless niya ng
Yes,
Tago.
stolen version. So, nakarelate ako dun sa kantang yun. Like, lahat naman meron tayong parang first love, gano'n-gano'n. Pero hanggang crush lang talaga kasi mas unahin yung schooling. Parang gano'n yung naging isa, kaya nakarelate ako.
So, nasa college ka na doon? Ma'am?
Third year high school. Oh
Third
my God,
year
tanda
high
ko
school.
na.
So, sa Antipolo National High School? Or
No.
sa...
Santa Elena High School sa Marikina.
Is that a private high school or public?
Public.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Then the next question is, ano yung first persona mo to impersonate? Is that, was you directly impersonating Taylor Swift or was there another persona that you impersonated?
No, walang impersonation. Bali, as drag po talaga ako, as Mac, ganon. Tapos after nun, tinry ko na mag-tailor. So, and it works naman. And nababalance ko siya somehow.
Also, from Mac then to Taylor Swift?
Yes.
Okay. Then, next question is, what are the fave songs ng mga audience na palaging binabalik-balikan ng mga audience mo na to sing during your performances?
Hindi ko alam. Charing. Charing lang. Hindi, talaga yung reason kung bakit may chance na mag-collapse yung isang venue, You Belong With Me, tsaka Love Story. Yes. Ayun talaga.
Then for you, do those songs empower you while you were in performance?
Actually, halos lahat naman. Kasi talagang yung most of her songs talaga is big hits talaga. So, ayun yung as much as possible, ayun yung pina-perform ko. Para at least kahit yung ibang non-Swiftie is nakakanood dito, at least nag-e-enjoy sila. Yun ang ganun.
Then the next question is, what does Taylor Shish do on a normal day? Do you have a work besides being Taylor Shish?
Matulog, charing. Hindi, yes, I have work as a call center agent sa BGC. So, graveyard shift siya.
So, matagal na yung work mo na?
Mag-1 year na. Pero nababalance ko na yung 2017 din, nag-work din ako call center. Then, pinagsasabay ko yung drug. So, medyo sanay na ako sa mga ganong galawan.
So, since 2017, you worked as a call center agent, but at the same time, you also started working on your drag performance?
Nag-work ako 2014 as call center. Then, sabay na yung 2017 sa drag. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Then the next is, what are some of the difficulties you have encountered while in this journey as Taylor Swift?
Yung schedule, actually. And then yung mga, actually yun, alas madalas yun lang. Tapos yung iba, yung siguro mga hindi pa well-known cultured sa drag, parang ganon. So, yung iba na lang parang bigla-bila na lang. Walang consent, parang ganon.
So, how did you settle those difficulties po?
Pinagsasabihan ko lang talaga sila actually. In a nice way naman para hindi tayo magmukhang maldita. Like, alam mo yun, kasi minsan pag pinagsabihan mo sila, alam mo yun, ikaw yung mamumukha masama. So, yung mga ganong eksena.
Now, is there a specific event na tumatak sa iyo about that specific question?
Marami actually. Ayoko na magsabi kung saan siya. Pero madalas, yung parang kada event talaga, pag mga photo ops na, mga ganon, minsan nangihila. Alam mo yun, parang medyo off siya pag
So, you
ganon.
want your personal space?
Yes.
Then the next question po is, 5 years from now, could you still picture yourself pursuing this career?
Yes. Since, di ba sabi ko mamayabang, pero magmamayabang na ako. Alam mo yun, parang na-recognize siya globally. Alam mo yun? So, parang itutuloy-tuloy ko na siya, aside from Taylor. Bukod, gusto ko din ng drag. Gusto ko mag-perform sa ibang mga bars, sa mga states, ganon.
Do you have plans on exploring different celebrities more than just the
Not sure. Pero may mas, ang potential ko talaga is Taylor. Ganon. Then, since doon ako nakilala.
True.
Mm-mm.
Then I saw Bretman Rock's IG story
Hey,
recently.
yes. Actually, biglaan lang yon. Parang 2 days at chinat ako ng manager niya. Parang random na nag-text sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung saan nakuha yung number ko. Ang weird. Hindi ko naman sinulat sa CR yung number ko. Tapos, sinext niya ako na, andito nga siya sa Philippines. Tapos, birthday ata ng pinsan niya ata yun, si Kay, ayun. Tapos parang, ayun, doon na nag-work. Buti, sumakto siya sa schedule ko bago yung show ko sa SM North. So, ayun, nag-work siya. Since,
Thank you. Then the next question po is, having an increasing amount of fans, is there a memorable moment wherein a fan did something extravagant or memorable or out of the ordinary for you?
Marami po actually, yung mga random na magbibigay ng mga gifts, ta's nag-effort na pumupunta. Minsan hindi pumapasok sa school kaya parang nakokonsensya ako kung bumagsak sila. Parang hindi, parang nakakahiya lang, parang dahil sa'kin parang uma-absent sila, which is ayoko maging bad influence, alam
But
mo yun?
did you try na po na receiving a gift so extravagant like cellphone or like
No, parang ano lang talaga, yung mga normal stuff, like
okay.
mga gano'n.
Then the last question, Mac, is any messages to your fans that supported you throughout your journey?
Um,
And to those also who are interested to join you as a colleague in the industry as well.
Itigil na nila. Char, 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 char. Nakaka-inspire, di ba? Ay, hindi, gusto ko lang kasi talaga mag-thank you sa kanila. Kasi nakaka-overwhelm since medyo kind of weird. Ewan ko, parang hindi pa siya nagsingin sa kanila. Parang sinasabing, ganito ba ako kasikat? Parang ganun. Basta there's something weird. Pero grateful ako sa kanila kasi, alam mo yun, na-recognize na yung Filipino Swifties sa ibang bansa na talagang Philippines is a Taylor Nation country. So, sad lang talaga na wala talagang Eras Tour dito. So, ayun, parang tuloy-tuloy pa rin kung paano namin sinuportahan si Taylor. Ganun na rin yung pag-support nila sa akin. So, parang supportahan lang each other. Parang ganun.
So through you, the empowering spirit of Swifties here in the Philippines
Yes.
will empower.
Yes.
Thank
Ganun.
you.
Thank you.